Welcome back to DerivNavigatorAcademy. In this video, we'll be looking at the first lesson for our series of lessons on understanding candle charts. Okay, so in this series, we'll cover everything about candlesticks. We will understand candlesticks in depth. We will understand every intricate detail, pattern, or formation that you're supposed to understand. All right. As you can see, this is the document we'll be using, the Candlestick Trading Bible, which was invented by Monihisa Homer. Okay, as you can see, this is the guy who invented this strategy that we'll be using to understand. Okay, so you can see he's the most successful trader in history. You can go and search him up. He's he was very awesome. Now, this is the content of what we'll be studying. First of all, we'll understand the history of candlesticks. We will need to know what is a candlestick, the candlesticks pattern. So this is the key area. Okay, the engulfing bar candlestick, the doji candlestick pattern, the dragonfly doji pattern, the gravestone doji pattern, the morning star, the evening star candlestick pattern, the hammer candlestick pattern, the shooting star candlestick pattern, the harami pattern, the tweezers tops and bottoms. Okay, so the reason for this is that for many videos that are on the internet, okay, they just focus on the patterns, but they do not show us all the details that we need. Okay, they just show us they just show us when they are trading, and they just explain to us, but we never get to understand in depth. So in this video, we'll cover from the beginning. So if you have no knowledge pertaining candlesticks, this video is for you. So make sure you subscribe right now. Just go and click the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, so that you don't miss out. Okay, if you need this document, hit me up. I'll give you this document at $1. You can go and study it, or you can follow up as we discuss. Okay, so I want us to discuss this document in whole. Okay, we'll be discussing it in segments so that you understand it in depth. Okay, together. All right, as you can see, after discussing all the patterns, we'll go to the exercise, we'll go to the market structure, we'll understand how to trade trending pattern markets, the support and resistance levels, how to draw trend lines, the ranging market, and so on. As you can see, we'll cover a lot, and I promise you, by the end of this series, you'll have understood every single thing regarding a candlestick chart. Okay, you'll be observing a chart and understanding everything. So when you watch a video and somebody is explaining a shooting star candle pattern, you'll be understanding what they mean. All right, now let us begin, guys. So this is the introduction, guys. So okay, the candlestick is one of the most powerful trading systems in history. All right, that one is well explained. If you need the document, it's only $1. Hit me up so that I can give you, and you read for yourself intensively so that you don't miss anything. Okay, so there's the introduction. That okay, so the candlestick pattern is one of the most powerful trading systems in history. It was invented by Homer Monihisa, the father of candlestick chart patterns. All right, the trader is considered to be the most successful. Okay, he was known as the god of markets in his days. His discovery made him more than 10 billion in today's dollar. Can you imagine all that profit? Now imagine even you make a small fraction of that. Let's even make $100,000, because you can see that is really good money. Okay, so that is basically the introduction. We're being introduced into the document. You're being told the history of the guy who invented it, and now you get to understand how he came up with the strategy. Now the overview. Okay, so we'll understand first the candlestick anatomy. What is the candlestick anatomy? Okay, just as humans, candlesticks have different body sizes. All right, and when it comes to trading, it is important to check out the bodies of candlesticks, okay, and understand the psychology behind it. That is what you learn. Okay, so basically you will understand the different shapes of candlesticks and what they mean. Okay, the patterns. The candlestick patterns are an integral part of technical analysis. Okay, candlesticks patterns are emerged because human actions and reactions are partnered and constantly repeated. In this section, we learn how to recognize the most important candlestick patterns, the psychology behind the formation, and what do they indicate when they form in the market. All right, there is it. So after that, we go to the market structure, where we learn to identify markets, ranging markets, and choppy markets. You will also learn these markets move and how to trade them professionally. All right. Next things. After that, we go to the time frame. All right. So these are the areas that most people usually have a difficult time trying to figure out or trying to understand. Okay, it is usually very hard for people to understand, but we'll cover it in details. We'll learn to the most intricate details. Okay, as you can see, we'll cover time frame and top-down analysis, multiple time frames. So if you've never understood a time frame or how a time frame works or what it is, don't worry, you will see it in this. So make sure you click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any new video we release. Okay, so that you don't miss out. Okay. Yeah, so you can see we learn various strategies. In this, we'll also learn various strategies. So we'll learn the pin bar strategy, the engulfing bar strategy, the inside bar strategy, the inside bar false breakout strategy, and trade examples. Okay. Money management. In this section, we learn how to create a money management. Okay, that is most important, especially if you're a beginner and you start trading. Learning about how you're supposed to manage your stake or how you're supposed to manage your money can really help you both in trading and in real life. So this is very, very, very beneficial to you. Okay. So that is basically, guys, as you can see, here is the history. The history candlesticks have been around a lot longer than anything similar. Okay, the Japanese were looking at charts as far as can you imagine in the 17th century there were people using candlestick charts. Okay, whereas the earliest known charts in the US appeared in the late 19th century. Okay, rice trading had been established in 1654 with gold, silver, and rapeseed seed oil soon after. Okay, rice markets dominated Japan at this time, and the commodity became, okay, it seems more important than hard currency. Okay, Muneiso Homa, a Japanese rice trader born in the early 1700s, is widely credited as being one of the early exponents of tracking price action. As you can see, there is the history of the guy and how he came up with the strategy. Again, if you need it, let me know. All right, only $1. Now, why are candlesticks important? Okay, this is what you're supposed to know and understand. Okay, candlesticks are important to us because, first of all, it is considered a visual representation of what is happening in the market. All right, basically it is a visual representation of what is happening in the market. It helps us understand what are we observing. Okay, what are we trying to work with. Okay, so that is basically what the candlesticks are. Okay, so for most of you who find you don't understand what those sticks mean, they are basically visually representing what is happening in the market. Okay, it helps us to open our eyes to seeing what is happening. Now, by looking at a candlestick, we can get valuable information about the open, high, low, and the close price, which will give us an idea about the price involvement. Okay, a candlestick can give you various information. Okay, it can give you the high of the price, the low, the close of the price, and how the price is moving. So it basically helps us trade. That is why you usually use candlesticks to trade, because they interpret what is happening in the market, and that's helping us understand what is happening, and that's now you can trade effectively and efficiently. All right, candlesticks are flexible. They can be used alone or in combination with technical analysis tools such as moving averages. As I know most of you know this, you can use it with momentum oscillators. They can be used with methods such as the Dow theory and the Elliott wave theory. There it is. Okay, you can see you can use candlesticks with okay, this is visually my favorite. I personally use candlesticks with support and resistance, trend lines, and other technical tools, which will be covered in the next chapters. Okay, so for most of you who have watched my videos, you will know that I actually like support and resistance and trend lines. Okay, I'm not that into indicators because they tend to lag and they can lead you to making losses, and that is something, especially when you are trading, you want to avoid. Okay, because it can mess you up greatly. All right, the human behavior in relation to money is always dominated by fear, greed, and hope. I know most of you traders have already experienced this. Candlestick analysis will help us understand these changing psychological factors by showing us how buyers and sellers interact with each other. Okay, so basically the human behavior is always dominated by fear. Okay, so candlesticks will help us understand the changing psychological factors. It shows us how buyers and sellers interact. Okay, I hope most of you understand, because any market, okay, any trading market that is represented by a candlestick, it represents people buying and selling at the same time, be it a forex market, be it a commodities market, be it a stock indices market, be it a jump indices market. It represents people buying and selling. Okay, it represents people buying and selling various entities in the market. Okay, and that is why when you trade, you can see you have a button labeled buy and another button labeled sell. Okay, because you're essentially buying and selling as along other many buyers and sellers. Okay, yeah, so that is basically, so you should ensure that your behavior in relation to money is well monitored and constrained. Okay, because let's say if you have a lot of fear, it can lead to losses. When you have a lot of greed, I know most of you, that has led to losses. Again, when you lack hope in trading, you'll be messed up greatly. So this is basically, now you're being introduced, ushered in. Okay, you can see candlestick provide more valuable information that you have covered. Candlesticks are used by most professional traders, banks, and hedge funds. These trade millions of dollars every day. Now, I've heard most of you saying, especially those people who have experienced losses in trading, they say trading is a scam. I can't trade. Trading is for, they try to take your money. No. You must understand, every time you are trading, you are going against other traders, okay? Like Deriv do not have like a safe whereby they've kept money and when you win, they take it and give it to you. No. Anytime you're trading and you experience a win, somebody else is losing money. And anytime you're losing money, somebody is gaining. So that is the market. This market is for whereby you take somebody's money and then somebody takes your money and then you take another person's money and so on and so forth. Okay. So if you enter into the market being inexperienced, you will be going against experienced traders, large companies, large corporations. So it can lead to you being messed up. So that is why I say, anytime you're trading, have enough knowledge and practice so that when you enter against these big traders, you can be able to stand a chance. All right, that's why I hope you guys have understood that. So that is basically the intro of our topic. Okay, so I hope most of you have understood the introduction, candlesticks, how they have come to be, what candlesticks are, how they help us understand the market. Okay, basically a candlestick is a visual representation of what is happening in the market and which helps us understand the high point of prices, the low point of prices, and the price movement. Okay, we can use resistance, trend lines, and other technical tools to better understand this, but we'll cover it in the next chapters. So basically, guys, that is the first introduction to candlesticks. I hope now you have known the inventor of the candlestick for candlesticks, so that even if somebody asks you who invented candlesticks, you can be able to know and tell them it was none other than Monehisa Homer, the most successful trader in Israel who made about $10 in today's currency and who started out as a rice trader. So guys, that is the first episode in our lesson. And then now from the second lesson for this episode, for this series right now, the second part, now we will go into understanding the individual parts of a candlestick. Okay, so guys, stay tuned, make sure you subscribe. As you can see now, we will begin our next lesson from here and understand each point. Okay, now we'll start from the candlesticks pattern. Okay, what is a candlestick? They are formed using the open, high, low, and closing point of the chosen time frame. So you guys stay tuned. If you have been yearning to learn about candlesticks, this video is for you. So please make sure again you subscribe and turn on the notification bell because you don't want to miss. This document is very large. If you need it, hit me up. It's only $1. You can use it. Plus the document will come with a bonus of 3 bots. So if you need it, let me know and you can move on from there. Thank you guys for watching and good luck.